In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Robinhood account. We'll walk through the official sign-up process on a computer using a web browser so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. Before you begin, gather a few essentials to make the process smooth. You'll need a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Make sure the information you enter will match what appears on that ID. Have an email address you can access right now, a phone number for verification codes, and your bank account details so you can link funds later. Having these ready will save you time and prevent unnecessary delays. On your computer, open your preferred browser and go to Robinhood.com. Confirm you're on the official site, then click Sign Up. You'll be guided to enter your personal details. Take your time here and type everything carefully. Your legal name, date of birth, and address should be accurate and consistent with your ID. Small typos can slow down approvals, so double-check before continuing. Next, verify your email. Head to your inbox, find the message from Robinhood, and click the verification link. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folders, then return to the browser tab to continue. You'll then complete identity verification. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your identity, which may include answering questions and uploading or capturing clear images of your government ID. Good lighting and a steady hand will help the system read your documents. Make sure the entire ID is visible and not obstructed, and that all details are readable. After that, connect your bank account. You'll be presented with secure options to link your bank. Choose your institution and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Enter your bank details carefully and complete any confirmation steps you're asked for so transfers will work when your account is approved. When everything looks correct, submit your application. Give your information a final review to ensure it's accurate, then confirm. From here, Robinhood will review the details you provided. This review usually takes a few days. Keep an eye on your email. You'll either receive an approval message or a request for additional documents if something needs clarification. That's it. With your ID, email, phone number, and bank information ready, the process is straightforward. Once you receive your approval email, you'll be set to proceed. Thanks for watching, and take your time with each step to make approval as smooth as possible.